important, and I know it's important, and I talk about how it's important, but you get a lot of other people who are, saying, well, why vote? It doesn't matter. It's 1 out of millions. It doesn't matter. This lesson reaches them where they are, and it doesn't require them to be at some predetermined, threshold. And that is, again, that goes to one of the reasons why I want to do this as the first day is I want them to know that they're included, that their contribution matters, whether they are, spending weekends watching the History Channel, or they're just taking this because their college counselor told them it would be good, but they're not really into history. I want all of them to feel like they can contribute, that they can have an opinion and a perspective that is valued, and that there's no right answer. It's just huge. It's so applicable to everything, almost everything in life. There's no right answer. So let's play, let's talk, let's learn.